Okay guys, with Thanksgiving over, I thought that I would do something kind of cool this year, at least cool for me, is to do the 12 days of Christmas. And what I want to do is in the next 4 weeks, I want to get 12 projects that you can give as gifts. They're going to be, if I'm going to squeeze 12 of these into 4 weeks, it's 3 a week if my math is right. They got to be quick little projects and stuff. For you to give as gifts when you go to somebody's house, or, just little things. They're not going to be, I'm not making a bedroom set or something. Stuff like, what would be a charcuterie board? What would be a Christmas without a charcuterie board? A Lazy Susan with the Christmas theme on there. Serving board. Maybe a snowflake trivet. Maybe a wine holder. I'm not a big wine drinker, but if I made these into lowball glasses, I could put it on the whiskey bottle, I guess. Maybe you got a dog lover in your life. Okay, a little leash holder or collar holder you can stick on the wall, dog bone print. Maybe something for the kitchen. A little conversion chart you can hang on the wall. Anyhow, it's that kind of stuff. All these will be included, plus a bunch of others. And with each full-length video, there will be a coupon code for free CAD files for all this. Not only do I include the CAD files, I also include a PDF for some of these, like this one, where you can do it by hand. Just print it out and use it as a template and do it by hand. This one, probably not so much with the PDF, but I'll include it anyhow. So I hope that you watch those videos. I hope that you like and subscribe. I should probably also put up short forms of those. You want to give a coupon code in those, you'll have to go to the full-length ones for those. But 12 days of Christmas in 4 weeks. So keep an eye out for them. Like and subscribe. Thanks.